My name is Nguyen. I'm currently the associate professor focused on the professional communication program. And my duty is manage the PropCom, professional communications, and the public relations stream. I see the invisible architectures of education intersecting with economic acceleration. I don't just see students going to school, but I see the massive transfer of value. I see the curriculums, something that design whether the next generation of Vietnam leader will view the planet as a resource to be exploited or to be the partner to be sustained. And that's why I see the tension between rapid growth and urgent need for the sustainable mindset that hasn't been fully caught in our system. My work focuses on the digital sustainable hub for educators. We are moving beyond the theory to practice. So we try to actually empower university lecturers in emerging countries like Vietnam to immerse the sustainable development goals, or we call SDGs, into their daily teaching activity and their curriculum. So it's not about creating the new separate environmental class, but it's about the redesign the DNA for existing curricula. So we're building the digital ecosystem that gives the educators the tools and confidence to turn every disciplines, course, curriculum from business to engineering into a vehicle for sustainability. Three implication is scaling the impact through multiplication. So emerging economies are the future of engine of global growth, but they are on the front lines of climate crisis. Therefore, by changing how higher education functions in the region, we aren't just teaching the individuals, but we also create the operation system for the future workforce. So if we can interpret the sustainability in the core education here, the planet will be better in reduce the carbon footprint and circular economies model. I think Vietnam is a dynamic and high growth environments where the pressure to develop economically is very intense. So this local context is crucial because Western sustainability model maybe cannot apply or copy paste here. Vietnam country is very important because we are a living lab for the global south. And if we can crack the code of sustainable education integration here, so we can create the rapid change and also be the role model for any developing country to follow. I think there is explore the unexpected connection between digital transformation and ecological survival. So we often view technology and nature as opposite forces, but my work is with the digital sustainable hub will show that the digital platform are actually the critical network that is needed to speed ecological literature fast enough and to make the difference. So we use digital tools to save the physical world. So I hope that they understand that this were the foundations for sustainable education in Vietnam. So I want to see that this year, 2025, will an era where we stop treating sustainability as an elective or nice to have extracurricular, and we finally recognize it as the foundation for all competence. The message is very clear. We finally teaching our children not just to how to count your resource, but how to value your life.